Okay,
Ethan, right?
here we go. Heavy action sequence.
Oh man, this guy's got the best ones.
The best story.
Yeah, the best plots.
What's it called?
6:30.
So I'm not late.
Oh yeah. So now Ethan has a ticket from the first clue to get to this garage, which will lead him to the first challenge.
That's it. Yeah.
And like, with
And then
no
he's
regard for his safety, he just crosses the road like a boss.
Gonna find another clue on another piece of paper that says
Behind you.
it's gonna be the origami killer.
Can't stop thinking about that well. Sean seemed exhausted. But at least he's alive. I'll do anything to get him out of there.
It'd be
Parking
really
lot
cool
ticket and
if
the origami figure
the
leads to
killer
this
was someone
garage.
that we
What am I gonna find here?
seen from somewhere in the plot.
Like he already was appeared
Yeah.
to the other characters.
Yeah, to someone somewhere else.
I said, excuse me.
Hey! Oh! Ah! Sorry. Didn't see you. What can I do you for?
I'd like to get my car. Have I been here
Hey,
before?
you're a pretty patient
Don't
guy, you
remember.
are.
Excuse me,
That
I'm
car's been there for
thinking.
2 years. We took it out for a drive every month and checked the tires and batteries, just like you said.
So
Here,
Ethan
it's
is
the third
getting
floor
it.
down.
If I
Service elevator.
if I can get around this corner.
Garage.
You can't get the keys. But Ethan's getting this car that
You
someone
have yourself a
apparently
good
left for
one,
him.
Chief.
Was that actually a sequence to pick up the keys from him?
Yeah. You do everything in this game. And now we gotta head down to that garage itself. Press the button, Ethan.
I swear the exit was just here.
Imagine if someone in real life was under heavy controls.
right?
That would just be all over the place.
They're trying to shop, and they're just like, I'm sorry, I can't control myself.
God forbid they hit a 90-degree turn.
Imagine them in the shops with all these aisles, trying to go up and down. Camera changes. Something's gonna go down.
We gotta check which car is ours by pressing the circle.
Shit always goes down in car parks.
Maybe, maybe not.
Always. Shut up.
Alright, so this is my car. Oh, right.
This is my car, the one next to the one that's beeping.
No, he actually was trying to go for the car that was beeping, but given the controls. What's in the glove box? There's always something in the glove box. Locked.
Is this gonna be like Mr. Bean?
What?
There's like a key that leads to a key that leads to a key that leads to a key that unlocks the car.
Oh man, the way he's got a padlock on his front door.
Yeah.
No, it's nothing like that. So yeah, he found the GPS.
Your destination is 4 miles from here.
Whoa!
Leave the parking lot and take the first right.
So let's get going. The lighting on that car is a little weird.
Do you get to drive?
No,
Take the
given
left
this control, I'll probably crash and die.
This game will turn into GTA.
Keep to
Nah,
the right
pretty much you always
and
control
take
someone
the
on
first
foot.
exit.
And just looking at this sequence just makes me think how weird America is with their lanes in the opposite direction.
It would be really cool for me to see a sequel to this game.
Yeah, I would say so. But
How would they continue on with the
Yeah.
plot?
Because it definitely gets resolved. I'll say that.
You have reached your destination. Are you ready to show your courage in order to save your son?
This is the messed up GPS.
Take the highway and drive against the traffic for 5 miles.
We have kidnapped your son so you can get to work early on this time.
In 5 minutes, you will have failed.
Alright.
If I succeed,
So
I'll
the
get more
challenge
letters for the
is
hangman.
for me
It's
to
my
drive
only need. No
the
turning
long
back
way
now.
up the road for 5Ks. So against traffic. So do
I don't
do
want to
it?
die.
Yeah, or should I
Not
not?
Not like this.
He's going against traffic.
Yeah.
Can't stop my hands shaking.
Sure.
I'm not going to
We'll
make
do
it.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not gonna make
Because
it.
we can actually just drive home and nothing, and we'll just.
I can do it.
Sorry, we'll keep going.
I'd do anything to save my son.
Let's do it.
Risk.
I've got to do it. For Sean's sake.
I know, you don't
I
actually
have no
start.
choice.
Yeah, okay, we actually do it. Let's do this! GTA at its finest.
Oh shit.
There's actually an ideal way, if you don't crash at all during this entire segment, you get an achievement for it.
I can do this. Come on.
Whoa!
Kind of sounds like Homer Simpson when he screams.
Damn it! Oh shit, that should have
Still
worked.
have 4 miles to go before you reach your destination.
Oh, I thought you were better.
Do you want me to fuck one up?
No!
You still have 3 miles to go before you reach your destination.
I never get this right because I forgot what L2 is. Because they train you to press all the directional inputs and the turning, but you forget which one is
Before you
L2.
reach your destination.
Oh, my goodness.
That's an understatement.
Oh, shit.
You know, it's pretty good that guy reacted as quick as he did.
You still have 1 mile to go before you reach your destination.
Now we got cops.
Well, that escalated quickly.
I know, right? Damn it. I hate when they just...
Dude, I knew you would mess it up.
I can't get the L2 down because stupid PlayStation controller has 4 buttons.
Please
Ah,
press the
right.
screen.
Yeah, you don't actually die. I don't even know what happens if you successfully survive.
Yeah.
Destination reached.
Like, you don't die from the cutting, but...
L1.
Destination reached.
Yeah, everything's upside down now, so if there's the directional...
I'll hold my head upside down so I can read it for you.
The key is inside
That's alright, I know what to do.
the GPS. Your reward is in the glove compartment. The key is inside
For the most part,
GPS.
only the directional
Your
inputs are
reward
reversed.
is in the
Left is still
glove
left, right is still right, but up and down are reversed. So that's up.
That's smart that the key was in the GPS.
Yeah.
Because they wouldn't want to break it unless they...
Because they need it.
Yeah.
Damn it.
R1. R2.
Up.
Oh, that's a troll.
I know.
So press down, you push it, it game over. You didn't open the glove box.
You know, I would have tried to unbuckle myself first.
If you did that, you would have fallen out of your seat into the roof.
No, but the roof is on the floor. See, he does it anyway. But... Yeah, it's not even an issue.
That would have been scary.
Oh yeah. And he forgets the little footage video inside the car. Oh fuck! So we got our first couple of those.
That's the address, okay. When you say letters, I thought you meant letters, like...
No, like there was a hangman type in the phone, and that's what I meant by letters. Like, every challenge fills in a bit of them.
When you get to the end, is it, well, to the end where there's like 3 letters to go and you can make it out?
Yeah.
Is that possible?
But the way they give the letters, that there's 3 addresses with the same combination, and the last challenge clears it up for you. Yeah? So...
I thought it was going to be like one of those, what was that TV show where it was like...
Wheel of Fortune?
No. Was it? Yeah, Wheel of Fortune.
The one where they spin the wheel, mate.
And it's like so blatantly obvious what it is, but they still have to spin.
Have you seen that Friends episode? It's Count Rushmore. There is no Count Rushmore. It's like, who's the guy who put all those faces on the mountain? And finally we get some significance with Madison after some episode. Count Rushmore.
I'm worn out. I've gotta sleep. The reception. Let's hope they've got a room left.
One of concern, as there is still no news of 10-year-old Sean Mars, who disappeared yesterday. A recent report
This guy.
says that the police
He looks so shady.
another kidnapping by the origami killer. If this information is confirmed,
Alright,
his victims were all
what can I do for you?
5 days after their
I'd like a room.
Obviously, time is
For
running
you?
fast.
Anything.
Investigators trying to find the child.
Feeling the
That
register.
voice.
For ICN.
Oh man, don't you just want to suck in one?
I'm not sure if that's actually what he's trying to do, or if that's just the game.
What?
Trolling.
Oh no, I think that's his personality. Can't tell if his balls glitching out.
27.
Yeah,
Single.
basically.
How long will you be staying with us, Ms. Page?
It's
I don't know.
Room 201. Last floor, stairs on the right, in the courtyard.
In the courtyard.
This is just been
Thanks.
bleeding.
The pleasure was all mine.
That's for sure.
Oh yes. Shake it a little more.
Room 201. Stairs on the right, last floor. That obnoxious receptionist better not have a spare key to my room. The thought of it leaves me in a cold sweat. Room
Oh,
201.
imagine that face staring up at you
Stairs on the
like when you're waking
right,
up.
last floor. Room 201. Stairs on the right, last floor.
Are you on the right level? Damn it.
107, so go up.
But here is one instance where the story starts to mesh. Because we run into Fanfare.
Room 201.
Ethan Mars! And he's spazzing out again.
Sir? Are you alright?
I just did a wicked jump up the highway.
I'll call an ambulance.
No ambulance.
I swear everyone in this universe just has too much pride to go for an ambulance.
Please, just help me to
Like
my
an
room.
ambulance is the scum of this universe.
Number
And Medicare
207.
is the government way of weeding out money.
He's probably faking it.
This is the first action I'm gonna get. God damn it, I'll put on an act to get some.
Do they interact much in the story?
Yeah.
Have you got the key?
It escalates from here.
Oh, awesome.
Like, it starts off separate and then it starts to join up again.
Even with the investigators?
Yeah, you want to go to
Oh, of course with the investigators.
Of course, yeah, because they're investigating. She just thrusts him onto the bed with like a massive
See a
push.
doctor.
And then the guy with the key is like, hello!
It's not fatal.
Yeah, it's in pain.
But it's sore as hell.
Your head is bleeding. It looks deep.
Yeah, he's breathing about as deep as Darth Vader. Wait, hold on. Come on.
He's in trouble. I can't just walk away and leave him like
But
that.
the option is available. No, actually we have to help him. Yes.
I'll help him first and ask questions later.
I know this man and his granola bar eating habits. I don't want to help him.
Paraphenol anti-fever. Administer only in cases of high fever.
We're looking for ointment for alcohol.
How do you pick which ones?
I
Is
should
it
disinfect
directional
his
path?
cuts.
Yeah. There's one for every. There's one for every medicine. So up, down, left, right.
Okay.
I'm gonna disinfect your wound. This might hurt a little.
As you get further into the thing, we're gonna have to treat him for every rad trick that he does for like the
Really?
trials. And oh shit!
Sorry.
Just like
Are you okay?
swiped him.
Sorry.
Can't focus.
I'll try to be more careful.
She's saying the same thing that he was saying when he was setting the plates down. Cool irony. I'll be more careful.
See, she's not even touching him. It's just floating.
But what I was saying before was the second time we treat him,
There.
I saw
At
this
least he won't get
let's play
infected.
of, and the guys involved were using the wrong kind of treatments for the thing. That you would use anti-burn ointment on cuts and disinfectant on the burns. What else do we have to do? And it just led to some funny shit. Just like
Paraphenol anti-fever. Administer only in cases of high fever.
yeah, why not?
Here. Take this. It should do you some good.
What is it?
It'll help bring down the fever.
But I'm not having a fever.
Okay,
Oh,
I'll see if I can
whoops.
find anything else.
Silly.
You trying to kill me, woman?
I love that. It'll bring down
She looked so confused when he said that.
It'll bring down the fever, but I'm not running a fever.
Oh, crap.
Paracetamol painkiller. Administer in cases of intense pain.
Yes,
Do not
yes.
take more than one pill every 24 hours.
Yeah, it's all cool.
Take this. It should do you some
Yellow,
good.
too much noise.
It's a painkiller. It'll help reduce the pain.
Yeah, never mind. I can't win with this family.
Can't avoid the
It
distraction.
says on the box
Yeah,
to take
no.
one every 24 hours.
Beautiful.
I don't think it's a good idea to exceed the dose.
Does anything go
Can't afford to
downstairs?
wait.
You find out sleeping tablets and he collapses.
I wouldn't move around for a few days if I were you.
I'm gonna take a shower.
Alright, let me help you.
Oh my. What was your question?
Does anything escalate really quickly from here?
This scene is pretty mellow. There's just
I'll wait
shit
here
that's
until you
helping him
come out.
recover.
Let me know if you need anything.
Just enough to think. And of course, we're going to do it.
Talk to me.
Damn it.
That way I'll know if you pass out.
What's your name?
Madison.
Are you staying in the hotel?
Of course, that's his
No,
first
I
question.
live in town. I suffer from chronic insomnia. I seem to only be able to sleep in motels. Don't ask me why. Whenever I get
shaking
too
my head at you,
exhausted,
shaking
I
his
come and
head.
spend a night here.
Yeah, disapproves.
I'm just passing through.
No, we can actually look at this.
And what else do you do, Madison? Apart from fixing up strangers.
Because
I'm a
normally I
photographer.
put that under the bed, so the
Take
option is
pictures
not there
of
for me to look through
furniture
this
for
box
fashionable
as
design
Madison.
magazines. Can you?
I'm an architect.
Madison, call me crazy, but are you looking through my box right now? What would ever give you that?
No, I swear to God. Then what were you looking at? You. I mean, no, the bot. I mean,
I'm just gonna leave now. I'm gonna go in the closet.
I saw your penis.
Wait, yeah. Oh, he's finished.
Wow, that was fast.
Thanks for staying.
But again,
I feel a lot better now.
in-game world,
In this universe,
yeah.
anything goes.
No, in this universe, it's probably been like 20 minutes. That was a shower.
Better get going then.
She's just grinning to herself because she saw some goodies.
By the way, you never told me your name.
Ethan.
Be careful, Ethan.
I'll about for those sleeping pills to kick in right now. He just collapses in front of us. And now for the second try.
So he doesn't open them all one.
No. I don't think that'd make any sense if he did. They're just... Yeah, like... They're pretty much just giving you an addressed version.
Can't he skip to the last one?
Given how the challenges are set up, you get the last bunch of letters if you do.
Oh, you're right. My bad.
Yeah. So he could. He'd probably do them out of order too.
Yeah.
Because the thing isn't really, the killer isn't really monitoring him. He gets more clues in advance from that little chip that he gets from winning the challenge. So